Welcome back as we now discuss the earth leakage tester. The primary purpose of an earth leakage tester is to check the value at which an earth leakage unit trips out. The tester will also establish whether the polarity of a domestic wall socket outlet is correct. In addition, the meter will also indicate whether a faulty earth exists. Let's begin by familiarizing ourselves with this particular test meter, which consists primarily of a box containing a milliamp meter and a scale pointer, 2 indicator lamps, red and amber, light under certain conditions. Below the milliamp scale is the control knob. The activating button is situated to the side of the milliamp scale. A 3-pin male plug and a flexible 3-core cable are used to connect to test plug points. Prior to using the tester, ensure that the control knob is turned fully counterclockwise. Next, ensure that the pointer rests upon 0 of the scale. The pointer position can be adjusted if necessary by very carefully turning the scale pointer adjusting screw until the pointer sits exactly upon the 0 scale line. To perform the test, simply install the 3-pin plug into the socket and switch on. The red indicator light will come on if the wiring polarity in the socket is correct. If both red and amber lights come on, then the polarity is incorrect. Such a condition is hazardous, as the neutral will now be live, even when the switch is turned off. This dangerous condition must be immediately rectified by a competent electrician. Returning to our normal situation, check the earth leakage by pressing the activating button and slowly rotating the control knob clockwise. Carefully observe the pointer rise until the earth leakage unit trips out. Read the scale at the moment the trip occurs to establish the tripping current value. According to the SABS Code of Practice for the wiring of premises, regulation number 4.5.4a, the tripping current must not be less than 15 milliamps and not more than 30 milliamps. The earth leakage unit should be replaced by a competent electrician if it does not meet this standard. Should the amber light come on during the test and the pointer not move, then the earth is faulty. Again, this condition must be rectified by a competent electrician. When tests have been completed, switch off and remove the tester. Remember to reset the earth leakage if it was found to be in good order. Practice using the earth leakage tester in your place of work with the permission of your instructor or course controller. After the break, we shall review certain points of care and safety in instrument usage.